Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of the Monster Tech Monster Show. This time back with a short little video. I just wanted to show you an update to the Joystick Pitch Adapter I've shown you in the last video. We made a little change to the design because after doing some stability testing here, we found out that the plastic, even though we are using tough PLA, which is in the mid-range of 3D printed plastics, we changed the part to a 4-point connection. So that makes it incredible strong. There's no give at all. And I'm finally happy with the design. Going forward, we really need some input from the community on what actually are the best degree angles for the pitch on the joystick. A lot of the community have much more knowledge about historical planes or even new planes on what the difference actually is between a desk joystick and the joystick in a plane. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to attach the joystick pitch adapter. I'm still really proud of the design because it is completely backwards compatible with all the products we have ever done. Let's get into it. Okay, let's get started. I've already put 4 of the nuts into the slots of the table mount. As always, you can just easily clip them in. After that, we have our pitch adapter. It is connected with 4 bolts to the nuts. Tighten them all a bit up. We do have to make the height adjustment now. So make sure you have it at the right height. After that, take the 7 cm profile that is included with the standard table mount or the 12 cm profile that is included with the long one. Add 2 of the M5 nuts that are the same that are in the profile into the top of it. You can either clip them in or slide them in from the side like this. Now let's attach the profile to the adapter. We are going to use the 2 universal connectors that are always included with the table mounts. But instead of attaching it to the profile like it would be on a standard table mount, we are now attaching these to the adapter. With our hex key with ball head, we have to tighten them slightly at first. Sometimes they get a little bit stuck, but just pull it out. After that, attach the 2 screws on the top. Tighten them up. Now, take the bigger key and use the attachment pipe we are including and tighten up the universal connectors on the bottom. Now everything should be really stable and good to go. Now we are attaching the joystick, in this case a Warthog joystick base with the new F18 Hornet grip. Insert the 2 M8 nuts. You can straighten them out with the key. They're sitting in the slot. Now just line them up. On this part you can actually always do a bit of a space test. So you want it as little space as possible to the front. So maybe a bit more. Okay, that looks good. Make sure everything is straight. And then tighten the screws. And the table mount is done. Okay, now let's attach the table mount. As you can see, the joystick is now 6% higher in pitch, but it still has enough space so it doesn't collide with the profile, even though it is the even longer F18 Hornet grip on it. And the stability of the table mount is fully preserved. Any kind of movement you see here is actually from our table. We have to make that more stable, but there's no extra movement in the joystick in the adapter part. So I'm really happy about this. Now you can have a better ergonomical seating position, especially for center joysticks. The joystick is just a little better positioned. So I hope you like our little adapter here. We will try to get it out to you as soon as possible. I cannot say when for sure, but in the next upcoming weeks. See you in the next episode.